Hey, trumpet players, we're going to be doing Jolly Old St. Nicholas today. It's holiday music time. Let's go. So, the first thing you need to know when you drop into this song is that there are three distinct parts A, B, and C. And in a traditional room, or if we were going to make music together, I would assign line A, this entire line across, I would assign that to Susie. And then line B, I would assign that to Johnny. And then for C, I would assign that entire line to Draven. And when they played together, it would make beautiful, harmonious music. So don't be afraid of how much content there's on the screen. You're only responsible for one part. But Mr. Butler, what part do I play? I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to let you decide that on your own. But I will show you a handy chart to let you know what's easiest and what's the hardest. So the A line in the song will be the hardest. The B part will be like kind of the medium hardest. And the C part will be the easiest. When you're inside of SmartMusic and you go to record your part, be sure to click on the part that you want to be recording before you hit the record button. It will judge you against what is there on that particular line. Also, when you click on the My Part to play out loud, you will hear all three distinct parts played at the same time. And that's going to be kind of confusing for you, which is why I had to make these YouTube videos so you could hear what each part sounds like by itself. When I created your assignments in SmartMusic, you'll see that there's a part 1 and a part 2 to this. This part 1 will be kind of an easier stab at the song, and then the part 2 will be a lot longer length of recording. You'll go from measure 5 through the repeat and then back through and take the second ending. So when you're budgeting your time for practicing, be sure that you work a lot on part 2 after you've gotten part 1 figured out. It shouldn't take you too long for that one. Finally, when we talk about this song, we have to talk about the new things. So we've got repeat signs here and first and second endings. The 1 with the line over top is the first ending. The 2 with two over the top is the second ending. So when you're playing the song, first ending, beginning, because the 2 dots repeat back to the beginning. And when you get to the second time, you're going to skip measure 7 and 8, just skip it, and go straight to second ending and play measure 9 and 10. So da 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 da. When I go to play this on the trumpet, you'll understand what I'm talking about. I'll play it exactly the way it should be performed. I've clicked on my A part. I'm ready to record it. Here we go. I've clicked on my B part. Now I'm going to record it. And finally, here's the C part. I've clicked on it, recording now. Making it this far in your musical journey is no small feat. I am so proud of you for making it this far. Please practice, have fun with this. I'm really looking forward to listening to your Jolly Old St. Nicholas on trumpet. Good job. See you next time. Bye-bye.